would you advise someone to venture into this?
Yeah, I could advise people to come and to venture into this because it's so profitable.
Welcome to AgVenture, a channel focused on educating, empowering, and advising youth out there that are stranded or rather lacking something to do in this COVID situation. And even after the COVID situation, you never know. This might be something that might help you out there. Today, we are in Chiwenda. We are here to see a gentleman that will talk to us and advise us and also give us information on how he started it, how he has made it, and how far he has reached. On this episode, we are starting with cuniculture. Cuniculture is the agricultural practice of breeding and raising domestic rabbits as livestock for their fur, meat, or perhaps wool. Now, let's go talk to the gentleman himself.
My name is Tim Joel. Welcome to Joel Rabbit Farm. I'm here to take you through about our farm and where we started from. You're most welcome.
So let me ask you, you say this is where you started from.
Yeah.
For someone out there who would like to know how much you started with and where did you get all this? I'm pretty sure someone out there would like to get a pen, so please, I'm also here to learn, so please get a pen. Let's learn together. So tell us, how much did all this cost you and where did you get this material from?
This was something simple. It didn't cost me that much because timber, iron sheets, and all the stuff that was required for constructing this, I got it from different sites. Had connections from other people who helped me collect timber, nails, that helped me in constructing this and where it has reached here.
Okay.
Yeah. It didn't cost me that much. Maybe the cost came in buying the lockers that are actually incurred, which were also not that costly. Yeah.
Well, someone might ask why the lockers. Of course, you have to secure your business.
Yeah, as you see here, we're able to collect the rabbit urine with the help of the gutters and the iron sheets. Urine flows from the iron sheets to the gutters, then into the bucket at the extreme end, as you see here. Yes, so when the bucket gets full, we are able to pack the urine into the jerry cans you see here. Yeah, and each jerry can goes to 50,000 per jerry can. This rabbit urine is more important to crops, and it is used as pesticide with farmers who have crops, for example the matoke, and so on, many crops.
Yeah. Okay. So back to how you started.
Yes.
So you're still telling us how many rabbits did you start with?
Yeah. We are able to start with 4 rabbits. We started with 4 female rabbits, and then we were able to get one back that we are going to use in multiplying in number. Yeah. So we started with 4 rabbits, and now we are able to go to here.
Okay.
Yeah.
So for someone who is just starting, you might not know the different types, or say the rabbits or the breeds. Would you help us take us through the different breeds that are there. And
Yeah. Right now, we have different breeds of rabbit. We have the New Zealand white. I think you can see here. This is a New Zealand white, reared for fur, meat and fur. It's having much fur on its body. Its fur is actually very important in making different products, cover books, drums, what it is. Yeah. This is the New Zealand white with red eyes. We also have another breed here, in here. This is the California breed. We are able to identify a California breed with black ears, having a black spot on the nose, legs and tail. This is what we call a California breed. When we continue down here, we have also some other breeds. This is the checkered breed. You see it's having dots on its body. That's why we are able to call it a checkered breed. We have chinchillas here down over, green color, black. Yeah, these are chinchillas. Yeah, so probably we have different breeds in rabbits, though here we are just starting up. So we are able to only have a few, but we are planning to have more breeds. Yeah, right now we have a few rabbits because we've been selling off most of the rabbits to our breeders. People have been coming here.
So you've been making money.
Yeah, we've been trying making money, though as you know, still you have to incur medication, but yeah, probably this has not been so difficult. It's something simple to start up. It does not require much capital.
So what do you advise a youth out there that has nothing to do or is a bit stranded on what to make himself busy with?
Yeah, I could advise a youth who is there just seated home, having nothing to do. This is a good project to start with. It's simple. It does not take a lot of time. I know some are there, this can tell me what. This is a very, very simple project to start up. As you see here, cleaning, you can decide it can be done once a week or twice a week. Because now the droppings are just down here. It's something simple. Yeah.
So tell us, how do you feed these rabbits? What do you feed them on?
Yes, as I told you when we are starting from the beginning, they don't require much feeds in culling, buying feeds, go to Yuga Chick, buy feeds, what. We also have these other feeds that we get from the bushes, gardens, that rabbits feed on. So we can at least economize on buying the feeds that rabbits feed on, because this is so easy to get. Yeah, and it's near. So sometimes we use pellets, the natural food, for them to at least boost their body. Yeah, and it also has some good ingredients in it. So, but in case the pellets are not there, we are able to provide them with this.
So I've been seeing bottles hanging. Tell me, what's the science behind it?
These bottles hanging here, we put water in them. This is where the rabbits drink from.
Hey,
rabbits
drink as well?
They do drink water like human beings. Yeah, they feel thirsty and they also need water. So we are able to put water in this bottle for them to drink. Yeah, this bottle is held inside the cage with water. With water, as you see here, we're going to put in water in this bottle, no matter the quantity of water. Yeah, we are able to put water in this bottle. The bottle should have its cover. The cover should have, you get a bottle like this, pierce in some holes, reasonable holes, as you see here. Yeah, this is science. As people, most of you know science well. Yeah, we are able to pierce in here. Water rabbits will just come. They know, because rabbits use nipples as taking water. So here we take this as our nipples. They tap on them and water is able to come. As you see, water dropping and bubbles going up. So we hang it inside our cage where we might have put our nail, but here our nail is not there. So we helps us to hang it inside. So you see, no dropping is coming out, no more dropping. Not until the rabbit comes and starts tapping on it and it's able to drink water. Yeah.
So why do you separate them? I'm seeing young ones here, the old ones there. Tell me the science.
Yeah, we separate them due to the eating rates. Yeah, you know, if they're all with the mothers, fathers, or the older rabbits, the eating rate is different. So for them, we try to separate them to see that they get enough food, so that they can grow strong and healthy, like their parents, fathers, yes. So that's why we are able to separate them.
We saw you constructing something out there. Could you please tell us what it was?
That we are constructing, that's called a breeder. That breeder is used in rabbits as a place where they breed from. This is the box you saw us making. Here it's a finished box. This box helps us in breeding. If at all the rabbit is about to breed, we bring in this rabbit in this cage. As you see, we're having one in here, which is trying to prepare very soon to give out some new babies. So it has to be inside there so that it gets used. So this is our box. When a rabbit is about to give birth, we also give a helping hand. So we are able to put for it a soft cloth, soft stuff like this, the dry ones, for it at least to see that it gives birth successful and the kids are really safe, clean, and they are not affected with weather.
Do you advise someone to venture into this?
Yeah, I could advise people to come and to venture into this because it's so profitable. Very good.
So you talked about profitability. Someone out there would want to know, what have you gained from this farm?
Yeah, we are able to gain up from the farm, from where you saw, from where we started from, the structure we had. We are able to expand from that small capital we got from where we started from, and now we are planning to see that we buy land so that we can do rabbit farming on a large scale, be able to teach people about rabbits, research center for rabbits. Yeah, so now we have our manure. As you saw from the start, those iron sheets help us collect manure, fresh manure. We are able to collect it, put it in our sacks as you see here. Yeah, we are able to sell this manure so that we add on the feeds, buying feeds for the rabbits, the parrots I talked about. Yeah, as you see here, we have some few bags. So we just sold off some few bags and we are planning to go and stock some food for the rabbits.
How do you market them?
Marketing, as I told you, we do marketing from our friends. First of all, our friends, creating awareness about rabbits. We do marketing at different medias. As you see, social media is now there. So people are there. They keep checking. So when you post, people are able to see rabbits. So they get interest of buying.
So tell me, do you find any challenges in this type of farming?
Challenges are there. I can't say no challenges. Challenges are there. And now in this pandemic situation we are in, we've got challenge with transport, how to deliver rabbits meat to our customers, clients who are in need, who need to start up business. So we've been facing a challenge of transporting them to their final destination.
So someone out there might be asking, don't they get diseases? How do you deal with the medication?
Yeah, we've been able to control that. First of all, it starts from the construction to avoid diseases. We are able to construct this. We construct rabbit cages with this wire mesh here to enable droppings, all litter from them fall off from the cage to the roof here. If at all we are to use wood, construct it here, we could find challenges in diseases, foot rot, what. That's why you even see rabbits are clean. So you sell something which is clean, attractive. We even get people who take them as pets due to being clean and all that. So this wire mesh controls many diseases that could attack the rabbits. Yeah. We have different diseases, but we are able to control them. We have medication for them.
So can you show us some of the different medications that you...
Yes, we have different medications. So we can slope down here and have a look at some of the different medications we have for our rabbits. We have different medications according to the disease that we are treating. We have this is the multivitamin. This one helps in, as you know, it's a vitamin. It adds up vitamin to the rabbits in case the rabbit is not having good health, not eating well. Yeah, you use this multivitamin. We also have this other one, Enrosol. Enrosol helps in flu. Rabbits also are attacked with flu. So we use this to control that flu that attacks the rabbits. Yeah. We also have some other different medications here. We have the Caprosine. Caprosine, as you see, it also has the chicken, goats, cows, pigs. Yeah. So we use it also in rabbit farming to treat them. This one has the most of the vitamins that helps them also. So if you've not used multivitamin, you can either use Caprosine. So the rabbit starts from 5 months. From 1 day to 5 months, the rabbit is able to start breeding, to act as a breeder, to start producing. Yes. So they grow from a short time. Actually, they start from 5 months, ready for breeding. Yeah.
So someone out there that is still watching, I think you can see in just 5 months and boom, you have your money. So please join us next time as we venture into yet other farms, and we shall give you more info and details on how to make money with just the single coin that you have in your pocket. Thank you. Have a good night.
Small things that can make you survive. You have strawberries. This is a bed now. Like if you're home, you can start with this. This is a bed of tomatoes.